Hello, I would like to show you how to service a gold source automatic voltage regulator. As you can see, the model is SBS 3000 watts. What you need is a screwdriver. We will start by opening the casing. Pulling the lid from the casing. You see, that's the input and two outputs. That is 220 volts and the 110 volts. The procedure is just simple. This machine here, this transformer here, when it's not working, there's a brush somewhere here. You see, this one it's moving. You just replace this brush with another brush, and the machine will be back kicking well. So replacing the brush, you just open these two screwdrivers, lift this up. As you can see, it has a spring. You see. Then you just replace it. Now we want to test the machine. After hooking your power cables, the input, it's now time to power the machine using this switch. Then look at the behavior of this transformer, of this motor here. When you power on the machine, you see how it flickers, moving up and down. You see. Let me power off. You see, powering it on again. See. Now let us confirm the voltage output. The 110 voltage, see, it's ranging between 108, around there. Checking the 220 voltage, see, it's reading 210. That's all. Just that, and you have your automatic regulator working. Bye.